Hi guys, my name is Anand. Now let's have a look at our new startup called Schumacher Automotive. First, let's have a look at our business overview. We are an electric car manufacturer that aims to make cars and get rid of the carbon footprints and emissions by fully electrifying our cars and making the earth a better place to live. We design our cars to meet the needs of a new set of customers by making them sporty and efficient. Our company's aim is to get rid of the internal combustion engine cars powered by fuels like petrol and diesel and replace them with electric motors, which is powered by lithium ion batteries. We plan to build our cars in house and source the materials used in the manufacturing from various suppliers around the world. Now let's have a look at the parts required in the manufacturing of a car. There are almost 30,000 parts required in making a single car. I have listed down the components and parts and materials required in the manufacturing of the car. Now let's have a look at the services which we offer. We plan to set up service stations throughout the country and also set up charging stations in order to charge our car. We are planning to partner with public places like airports, malls, hotels, apartments, and other public parking lots in order to set up charging stations so that people can charge their vehicles when they go out. Now let's have a look at the latest market trends and our customers' requirements. Customers these days are becoming more and more conscious in terms of carbon emissions, and therefore they are planning to go green. But they don't find quite affordable to procure a electric car because most of the cars available in the market are on the costlier side. Schumacher Automotive aims to bridge this gap and gets access to all types of customers to have a electric car. And due to this, we can get rid of the cars powered by fuels and shift the people towards the electric car market, and therefore we'll succeed our aim by reducing the carbon footprints. Now let's have a look at our supply structure. A vehicle manufacturer needs to procure parts from various vendors around the world. We plan to procure our lithium ion batteries, which is used to power the electric motors from our suppliers in China. And also, like we are also planning to procure tires, headlamps, leathers, and infotainment systems from various other companies. As a result, we plan to build the car and design our cars in-house, and therefore hybrid supply structure would be the best suited structure for a car manufacturer. Thank you. Now my friend Sendil will take you through our rivals and competitors.
Good afternoon, guys. I'm Senthil Kumar Sambat Kumar. Today, I'm going to talk about our rivals and competitors. With a combined 39% share of electric car market in 2020, Tesla, Volkswagen, and BMW were the market leaders. The electric car market is predicted to grow from 2021 through 2026. Many consumers, however, still believe electric vehicles to be a pipe dream because current models are typically priced over the mid-range budget. So Smacker Automatic Inc. aims to bridge this gap by developing affordable plug-in in electric vehicles that everyone can buy, allowing people to shift away from gasoline vehicles, cutting carbon emissions, and enhancing global quality of life. Coming to the next slide, we are going to talk about market investigation. So I did market research that allowed me to verify my company concept by using the right strategy at the right time. Schumacher Inc. has a novel approach to producing e-vehicle from the proper client. The new technology and innovation in our frame is increased lithium ion neo battery life by delivering surplus energy in EV by driving up to 1000 kilometers with a one time wrap charge within 3 hours. Our company aspires to combine sustainability and elegance by developing smart electric vehicles with all of the features found in the traditional luxury vehicles. Vehicles from Sumaco Inc. can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds and charge in under 20 minutes. Voice control, smartphone networking, and cutting edge GPS are all included in our EV's smart environment. This is, however, will affect gasoline, diesel, and other fuels. So, based on my research, I have determined the optical location from charging the EV vehicle outlet in every gas station throughout Canada, and I have been carefully price the things to guarantee that we remain competitive and profitable in the marketplace. So the next slide is organization goals and strategic plan. So coming to the types of customers, our organization set certain specific aims to attract customers in variety of methods, such as outsourcing parts from China, which are usually distinctive and different components, and welcoming clients by taking a strategic route uh, towards a future technology, the eco green environment, and explaining to them how our company saves money by employing electric rather than petrol. So, coming to the product and service type, uh, essentially, many electric and automobile manufacturers were addressing to set of laws and regulation when it came to developing EVs for end users. So types of service in my business, I will customize automobiles interiors and exteriors based on the customer's preference, such as how many kilowatts are required for the vehicles. Furthermore, we will be offering three distinct Leon batteries, namely Neo, Beta, and Halo. So 60 kilowatts to 100 kilowatts Neo, and 80 kilowatts to 120 kilowatts Beta, and 120 kilowatts to 150 kilowatts Halo. So these are the batteries, which is the power pack batteries. So those batteries are purchased from our Chinese vendors and will meet the aforementioned criteria. Aside from that, various software business in the area outsource the infotainment system and their other operating systems. According to the automobile dimension, the car seats are created from the best leather available on the market by one of the premier furniture producers in the area. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Anurag. In this, let's see about the structural plan flowchart of our organization. For a big organization like car manufacturers, divisional organization structure is the best and suitable. It's split into various divisions, which is based on what type of work the employees are engaged in. Research and Development Department, Supplier Management Department, Production Department, Logistic, Marketing and Customer Service departments are the main divisions in the organization. In the next slide, we are going to see about the difference between deciding a single company or as a supply chain for the business. Schumacher Automotive is an automobile manufacturer that requires lot of components for various parts of the car needed to be sourced from different suppliers both like domestically as well as international. To meet supplier needs without any delay, we require multiple. So what's this and by there won't be any backlog and not slowing down the production process. In the next slide, let's see about the steps to supply lithium ion batteries. In the electric car market, batteries are the linchpin. Many companies are in a competition to create a long-lasting batteries. While making long-lasting batteries, the price should be economically for the manufacturer to sell to the customer. One of the leading country to manufacture EV batteries is China. Companies like Tesla has been one of the main clients to supply lithium-ion batteries with the highest quantity. China can be reliable in a long time. Not only the labor cost in China is cheap, but also backed up with an educated workforce, which make the technology to be cutting edge. The Chinese company which produce lithium-ion batteries are cobalt-free. The main backbone in logistics for China is its shipping. It gives an easy way to import batteries directly from the manufacturers. Thank you.
A good day to everyone. Now, we will look at the criteria which is used in this project to select the supplier. Now, in this case, we have selected the traditional criteria. For traditional criteria, we look into the quality, quantity, delivery, price, and service. Now, quality is regards to battery. Running out of battery is the new running out of gas. Hence, long-lasting battery technology is the need of the hour. Quantity, mass production of vehicles, the company will require huge inventory of batteries in every quarter. Depending on the sales of these electric vehicles, the numbers can be adjusted with the suppliers. Now, when it comes to delivery, ports in China are the backbone of their logistics. Hyperports available in several cities can ensure smooth delivery of shipments. China's labor is organized and educated. Hence, the labor union has standardized the wages of their labor. This ensures very good price. Now we will look at the technologies used for procurement process. Now in this case, we have used the ERP tool, which is Enterprise Resource Planning. For technology-based product supply, common data management system helps the company to reduce errors. Production of lithium-ion batteries is a complex process, hence it requires one central tool to integrate all the knowledge and resources. Raw materials for manufacturing batteries need the following process: requisitioning, authorizing, ordering, receiving, invoicing, and paying for goods and services. Now we will look at how to ensure quality before sending the lithium-ion batteries to the manufacturing unit. Lithium-ion battery design is patented in China. Hence, the design verification team can verify it if it meets the standards of an EV vehicle. Testing team will verify the chemical components, make sure it is cobalt-free. Battery life is tested using a simulator and a probability is made as to how long it would last when the vehicle is operating at its maximum efficiency. Six Sigma is implemented in the production unit. This ensures quality of 3.4 defects per million opportunities. Thank you. Now Harkiran will continue with the rest of the slide.
Hello, Professor and everyone. Harkiran this side. So, after discussing about the manufacturing and the launching the product in the market, company have to make a decision upon the lot size for remanufacturing the product. As the car were being sold in every country, so the combined sale revenue is to be calculated on the quarterly basis. After this, through ERP tool, the number of lithium-ion batteries produced will be shared to the Chinese manufacturer so that they can manufacture accurate lot size. Depending upon the number of sales team produce the making decision will be made nearly after every 4 months of make. Also, an analytical data will be made to keep the inventory minimum for the batteries to be in a working condition. Let's move toward the next slide. After making, the delivery method is to be chosen among all. The Chinese port is the most efficient transportation option, as China offers some of the most dependable and cost-efficient hyperports in the world. Because our organization ship numerous stocks, water method is our preferred choice. Despite the fact that the electrical products are best carried by the air, due to the high expense of the direct shipment from China to Vancouver, it is possible. A single shipment of 1,000 to 60,000 tons may be sent using the terminal to terminal shipment technique. As a result, our organization chose to ship lithium ion batteries in a containers. Among all the suppliers, we choose the three main sources of suppliers for our batteries. The first one is contemporary Amprex technology, the second one is Co Limited Neon Inc., and the third one is Genfeng Lithium Co Limited. They are who taking care of lithium-ion batteries for present and futuristic e-vehicles. Moving toward the criteria to select the suppliers. Choosing suppliers is the most important step for the firm. For choosing suppliers, our company check each suppliers on the five criteria, that is delivery, technology, value, services, and the quality. Among the three primary suppliers, contemporary Amprex technology has consistently delivered the high-quality lithium-ion batteries. Shipping containers are the primary mode of delivery. The batteries may be delivered at a reasonable cost because to the mass manufacturing, ports for containing device are an extra bonus. Cattle cobalt-free lithium iron phosphate batteries aid contemporary Amperex. Tesla is the fast growing with 77 gigawatt hours of battery cells capacity under the development and plans for a huge 80 gigawatt factory near its Shanghai manufacturing base. Let's moving towards the conclusion. Finally, we are proceeding with the contemporary Amperex technology. Co will be the primary supplier of lithium-ion batteries for our organization because it shows consistent quality and delivery to our company. Thank you.